Hello guys!
Hi guys, we're back. We hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and hope you try it at home.
Chicken Tinga. This dish originated from Puebla, Mexico. It's made out of shredded chicken, cabbage, onion, and the sauce is made out of chipotle chiles in adobo sauce. And also this is laid on a tostada with sour cream and topped with queso fresco.
Alright, let's get started.
Alright, so we're gonna start first with the chicken. I have some boneless chicken breast right here. It's about 2 pounds, and we're gonna put it in a pot with just enough water to cover it. Probably about an inch higher than the chicken. And then to that, we're gonna add a piece of onion, 2 garlic cloves, and then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of chicken bouillon to it. Alright, then we're going to cook it on medium heat. It's going to be between 20 to 30 minutes depending how thick your chicken breast is. Let's go. So alright, remember medium heat, and you don't really have to cover it, but if you want to, go right ahead. For the rest of the thing other than the chicken, we're also going to be using white onion. This is a medium-sized onion. We went ahead and julienne it, and also a whole cabbage, and I cut it up at that size. So it's a whole cabbage and 1 medium onion. Okay, so we're also going to need tostadas. Buy your favorite kind. We're going to be using queso fresco. This is a 35 ounce because we love cheese, or you can buy the 10 ounce as well. And then your favorite sour cream. So now we're gonna check and see if the chicken is done. And it's easy to pull like this. It's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. And I'm gonna transfer the chicken breast. See how it's coming apart. Yeah. I'm gonna transfer into a big bowl. And I'm gonna let this chicken broth cool off a little bit because we're gonna use it. So I went ahead and put it in a large bowl right here, and I'm gonna show you how you shred it. I'm gonna use a hand mixer. We gotta do this while the chicken's still hot. Voila! And that's why you want a big bowl, because you want the chicken to go all over the place. So for the sauce, I'm going to be using around 2 cups of the chicken broth that we just got from cooking the chicken breast. And then I'm going to add a whole can of 7 ounce of the chipotle peppers. If you don't want it too spicy, you can go ahead and try with 1 or 2, then add more if you want to at the end. That's totally up to you, but we like it spicy, so we add the whole can. And then you just add a little bit of salt. Now it's ideal to wait until the broth is cold, because otherwise, because it's hot, the heat's gonna make it come up. So I'm gonna be using a towel. Don't do this. Please wait until the chicken broth is cold enough to put it in the blender, okay? But we're starving, so. And then we're gonna set it aside. So I have a skillet here. I already have olive oil on it. And then we're just gonna add our onion carefully. And then we're just gonna leave them here for about a minute. Okay, a minute has passed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of cabbage. Another minute. Let's add more cabbage. This part already wilted down a little bit. Let's add the remaining of the cabbage. And now we're gonna add the sauce. And this is cooking on medium-high heat, okay? We're just gonna let it be like this. And then we're gonna cover it. And we're gonna come back and check in about 10 minutes. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. This already smells delicious. So let's stir it a little bit. Then we're gonna come back and check in about 10 minutes. Please do not add the chicken, because if you add the chicken right now, you're gonna overcook it. So the chicken's added at the end, okay? All right, let's check our cabbage. This looks so good.
Beautiful.
Okay, so now we're gonna add the chicken. Look how that's shredded so beautiful. Look at that. Stand mixer. You can do it in a stand mixer or a hand mixer. You can shred anything, beef or pork as well.
Oh, we gotta make a little pork. A little pig.
Yeah.
A little pig.
What was the name of that restaurant that we went in California? That had all that Hawaiian stuff. It was so good.
It was something surf. Surf. Something surf.
I don't know. If you feel like you need to add a little bit more of the chicken broth, go ahead and do so. I'm gonna add a little more. I kept the rest of it. All right, so we're gonna turn the heat down to medium low. Now we're gonna cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So what I forgot to tell you earlier, before you let it simmer, go ahead and taste the cabbage and see if it needs more salt or the juice. And if so, go ahead and add more salt and then cover it and let it simmer. All right, so this is done. All right, so let's make some tostadas. You can make it like I'm doing them right now, or later you can fix them in any way you want. Then I add tinga. I'm starving. Then you add the cheese. When my kids were little, I used to add the sour cream first, then the cheese, then the tinga, because otherwise they have the cheese going all over the place. So that's the way my husband likes to eat it. Now let me show you my way. I add the tinga. My husband used to make fun of me because I used to eat it like this, but now he likes it too. Huh, babe? Then I add the sour cream. Cheese. Making a mess. And then I mix it. And then I would just grab the tostada, tear it in half, and that's how I would eat it. Alright, let's try.
Now we're gonna taste them.
Is it good?
Really, really good.
Really
Spice,
what?
really, really good. The spice.
Which way do you enjoy more eating the tinga? That way or this one?
It depends.
Depends how you
If I
feel
just
about it.
wanna, if I just wanna watch football and just do it like that.
Alright guys, don't forget to like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.
Bye.